How to record yourself in Zoom. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can record yourself in Zoom. If any day you would like to record yourself in Zoom, at first you must have two of the prerequisites. Number one, you can have the basic account or the above, or you should also have a Zoom desktop client for Windows, Mac OS or Linux, or the global minimum version or the higher. So on the very iOS, iPad or the Android devices, the local recording is not supported, therefore you have to just mention the cloud recording for the paid accounts if you are using a mobile device. Likewise, there are also some limitations for the local recordings. That is, local recordings don't support the following features. That is, record active speaker, gallery view, and shared screen separately. Next one is audio transcription and the shared screens recording layout with the active speaker thumbnail or without any thumbnail, because the local recordings will always show a thumbnail gallery view with a shared screen. Likewise, you have to record using the iOS or the Android app, and if you just record using the iOS or the Android app, you must have cloud recording with you. Now, in order to record something, at first what you have to do is you have to sign into the Zoom web portal as an administrator with the ability to edit the account settings. In the navigation menu, you have to click on the account management, then on the account settings. There you can click on the recording tab. Under the recording section, you can click on the local recording toggle to enable or disable it. If a verification dialog appears, you have to click enable or disable to verify the change. There you have to select the check boxes to enable or disable the additional features, then click on the save. If you want to make this setting mandatory for all the users in your account, you have to click the lock icon and then click lock to confirm the settings. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.